Beyond just a task description, we can augment our prompt with high quality input output examples. Few shot prompting attempts to improve LLM performance by providing explicit examples of correct behavior. Few shot learning is incredibly effective, as demonstrated by the breakthrough capabilities of LLMs like GPT-3. However, learning how to properly leverage the few shot learning capabilities of LLMs can be complicated. What examples should we include in the prompt? Is there a correct way to structure the prompt? Do changes to prompt significantly affect the LLM? Most LLMs are sensitive to the manner in which prompt is constructed, making prompt engineering both difficult and important. Exemplar ordering is important, and permuting few shot examples can drastically change LLM performance. Including more few shot examples does not solve this problem. The distribution of labels in the few shot examples matter and should match the actual distribution of data in the wild. Surprisingly, the correctness of labels is not as important. LLMs tend to be biased towards repeating the last of the few short examples. Exemplars that are included in the prompt should be diverse and randomly ordered. In summary, selecting examples that are diverse, randomly ordered, and related to the text example is best. Let's take a look at some questions provided to Gemini. First question. We provide Gemini with some examples. That is, a fish swims in the water as a bird flies in the air. A cat naps on a couch as a dog rests in a bed. And then we ask Gemini to complete the analogy, and Gemini goes ahead and provides us with an answer. Next question. If the pattern is 248, the next number is 16. And if the pattern is 136, the next number is 10. Now, given the pattern 5914, the next number is. Gemini answers the question and provides us with the step by step approach to solve the particular mathematical challenge. And finally, if all roses are flowers and some flowers are red, then some roses are red. If all dogs are animals and some animals are wild, then some dogs are wild. Now, if all A are B and some B are C, then, and Gemini answers our questions and provides an explanation to it. Prior to moving on, I want to address a notable point of confusion. Few shot learning is not fine tuning. Few shot learning presents examples to the LLM inside of the prompt, which can then be used as relevant context for generating the correct output. This process is referred to as in context learning. The model's parameters are not modified by few shot learning. In contrast, fine tuning explicitly trains the model, that is, updates its weights via backpropagation over a chosen dataset. Few shot learning is incredibly powerful but has a notable drawback. Exemplars consume a lot of tokens. Given that the context window of an LLM is limited, we might want to explore prompting methods that do not consume as many tokens. For example, can we textually explain the correct behavior to an LLM? And the short answer is yes.